right, so we got the amp meter on the breaker that runs the washer dryer. Right now it's running at 3 amps. It's a 20 amp breaker, so it's really doing well. And it runs this plug, and it runs the one that where the plug down here where the fridge originally was plugged in. So what we did is took the fridge off of that one and we put it on this one. This breaker was off. I turned it on, so now you can use that one, and it's off the line with these. So these running this and the fridge on one line, that was the problem. It was too much draw of amperage, so that was tripping that 20 amp breaker. But I'm just monitoring it now and seeing the highest this went up was 6 amps. So I'm just going to run this through a cycle a little bit just to see if there's any, if it needs any higher breaker, but I don't think so. It looks like it's doing well. This should be fine. I think with the fridge, the washing machine, there was too many things on one line, so we just took it off. And okay, here we go again. It's peaking again at 5, almost 6 amps is the highest I've seen so far on that line. All right, we'll let it run a little bit more, but I think we're good on this stuff here. So yeah. So that's fine on the breaker. Don't need to raise it. This is all working real good, stable. All the power is back on. Checks. Okay. Nice and stable. It's not tripping the fridge anymore. We just won't use this one. And everything else is good. Microwave, good. Stove's on. That's on its own line too, so it's cool. It's got its own breaker. Which would be probably the okay, yeah, it's got the 50 over here for the stove, so it's got its own, so it's good, as it should be. So everything's good and separate like it needs to be. Everything else looks good. I just got one more job to go to today, that's it. But it's a lot I gotta do there. Alright, so this outlet's in pretty bad shape. We're going to just change this one out and put a plate on it. Alright, so we're going to change this out real quick. We're just gonna snip that real quick. Alright, so let's get this on here real quick. We got it on this side, so we'll bring it over to this one. Okay. Let's give it a little look. Looks good. Alrighty, we got you a new one in, wired correctly. There we go. That's all good. And so we got rid of the old one and got you a new one.